Hey, buddy.
Ooh, what do we have here? Red color. What part is the red color? Let's find out. Let's open it and see which part of potato Mr. Potato Head is hiding inside the red color. Oh my God. Look at that. Red color was hiding Mr. Potato's eye. Ooh, we found the eye in red color. What do we have here? Blue color. I wonder what part of Mr. Potato Head is hiding inside the blue color. Let's open it up and find out which part is hiding inside the blue color. Oh my God! Mr. Potato's nose was hiding inside the blue color. Now we found the Mr. Potato's nose. Let's find the other parts. What do we have here? Green color. I wonder what is hiding inside the green color. Let's open up and see what part of Mr. Potato is hiding inside the green color. Oh, wow! It's Mr. Potato's hat that was hiding inside the green color, guys. Now we found out the hat. Let's find out other parts. Orange color. This is orange color. What is inside orange color? Let's find out what part of Mr. Potato is inside the orange color. Let's open it up and find out which part is hiding inside the orange color. Oh, wow! Can you guys guess what part of Mr. Potato was hiding inside the orange color? Yeah! His mustache was hiding inside the orange color. Now let's find other parts of Mr. Potatoes inside other colors. Blue color. Let's find out what part of Mr. Potato is hiding inside the blue color. Let's open. Oh, wow! Mr. Potato's teeth was hiding inside the blue color. And his mouth. Can you guys see? He has a pink tongue also. Let's find other parts of Mr. Potatoes. We are almost found out all the parts. Let's carry on, guys. Oh, what is this? What color is this? Can you guys guess what color is this? Yellow color. Let's find what part of Mr. Potato is hiding inside the yellow color. Shall we? Let's open it up. This is so much fun, guys. Oh, wow. Mr. Potato's ear was hiding inside the yellow color. Oh, wow. This is so cool. So how many ears does Mr. Potato have? 2 ears. I think this is the first ear that we found inside the yellow color. Let's see where the other ears is hiding. What color is this, guys? Peach color. Let's find out if other Mr. Potato's ears hiding inside the peach color, shall we? Let's open. Oh, wow! The second ear of Mr. Potatoes was hiding inside the peach color, guys. We are almost done with finding all the parts to Mr. Potato's head. Wow, that's a big one. I wonder what part of Mr. Potato's hiding inside this big pink ball. What do you guys think? We found the eyes, and we found the 2 ears, and we found the big red nose. We found Mr. Potato's mouth. We found Mr. Potato's hat. We found Mr. Potato Head's mustache. So I wonder what else is missing. This is Mr. Potatoes. I wonder what other powers are hiding inside the big pink ball. Let's find out. Let's open. Oh, it's something white. Oh, it's 2 pieces. Oh, wow. We found Mr. Potato's hand. But how many hands does Mr. Potato have? That's right, Mr. Potato Head has 2 hands. So this is one of them. Let's see if the other one is hiding inside. Oh, wow, guys. We found the other hand of Mr. Potato Head's. Now we have all the parts to assemble Mr. Potato Head. Let's go ahead and do that, guys. Now, guys, after we found out all the parts to Mr. Potato Head, let's put them together, shall we? First, let's put Mr. Potato's eye on. I wonder where they go. Do they go here? I don't think so. Where usually the eyes are located? Yes, that's right, all the way up on top of your head. I think it goes right here. Let's find out. How does this look like, guys? I think that's right. Now, after we put the eyes, we're gonna put Mr. Potato Head's mouth on. Goes right here. That's right, guys. Now we put Mr. Potato's nose and mustache on, right above his mouth. Perfect. Now what are we missing? We're missing the ears. Let's put one ear right here, and the other ear goes right on the other side. Those are some big pink ear Mr. Potato Head have. Now what are we missing? That's right, we're missing the hat. Let's put Mr. Potato's hat on, shall we? It's right on top of his head. Perfect. Let's twist it around. That looks right to me. Good job, guys. Oh, wait. Something else is missing. What are we missing? Oh, no. We're missing the arms. One arm goes on this side of Mr. Potato. Wow. Hi, guys. My name is Mr. Potato Head. Now we put the other arm on the other side. Perfect. Now we have all the parts of Mr. Potato Head assembled. Thank you so much for helping me figure out what goes where on Mr. Potato's head. We got all the parts together and he's perfect and happy now. Now bye-bye, guys.